go.
I'm losing my grip.
It happens, bud. Your hands get sweaty, you lose your grip. Just remember to re-grip.
You have to jump at the right time.
Look, you take a bigger space. That's how I got it.
I'm not used to the whip from my elbows though.
Yeah.
No! And you're scared of kids. You're gonna break something.
You're gonna break something! Oh, Jaden, I'm going to break something.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, fail.
Bravo, bravo.
Fail!
It's a monkey! It's a bumble!
Go, Randy. I want to see some failure.
Be nice. 1, 2.
Yeah!
Alright guys, if we're playing tag, if you get tagged, you owe me 5 push-ups every time you get tagged.
No! I hate push-ups.
Are you ready?
Girls can do push-ups from their knees.
No, I do man push-ups. I do man push-ups.
Oh.
I can do it. I can do it. You want to see this?
You guys got 15 seconds to run. Run! 15 seconds. 10,
Peter, get this.
Run.
13, 12, 11, 10, 9.
Go run. Jinin's it. Jinin's it. Everybody run. Very good.
I do better than that, Ray Ray.
Oh, don't get tagged. Don't get tagged by Jinin, who's right there. Oh, you girls better run. Ah, a shoe. A shoe.
He won't be getting very far without this.
There's a wee little girl. Oh, there he is.
Oh, wait.
Oh, 5 push-ups for you.
What's up, dude? Why do you have a cup?
3, 4, 5. Oh, there you go. 5 push-ups. 3, 4, 5. Up, there you go. Oh, 5 push-ups. Tag me in, Jinin. Oh. Uh-oh. I'm it. 1, 2, 3. Who's taunting me?
Don't look down the slide.
I see you.
Oh gosh, time.
Tag. 5 push-ups, buddy.
Got you.
Shut up. 5 push-ups in the heart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
There you go.
He hasn't tagged me yet.
Peter, he's right here.
Again. No!
That was actually pretty cool.
I'll get you next time.
Million years.
Next time, Gadget. Next time. That was awesome. He made it to base. And we're set.
She scared me. I was like, what the?